Yo, what's up everyone? In this video, I will be launching a meme coin live on camera, going through exactly how I did it step by step, from finding a narrative, launching it, and then taking profits at the end. This video is specifically made for people who want to start deving and they are tired of losing money from trading. So if that's you, bro, let's fucking go. Yo, look at my Phantom wallet. I made all this Solana specifically from launching meme coins on chain and just rinse and repeating that strategy. Now I dev meme coins in a specific way and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I make my coins, launch it, and then print all in today's video. Let's fucking go, bro. I'll be gatekeeping everything. Now trading meme coins used to be my specialty like a year ago, but now, bro, it's dead. The new meta is deving. The reason why you have to start deving is because if you continue trading, bro, every single coin that you will buy will end up like this chart. It will go to zero. The truth is that these devs like me are making thousands of dollars from simply launching these coins. All we're doing, okay, is like this coin right here, for example. We launch a coin for completely free. It costs nothing to make coins, right? We wait for buyers to buy in, okay? When the volume, when the market cap is high and we are satisfied, we can simply just dump the liquidity and do this over and over again, right? But if you still trade meme coins, bro, you're basically entrusting your fucking buys into the dev, and then the dev simply just takes it all. And that's why you have to fucking turn the switch on and switch to deving. I am making this video to show you guys exactly how it's done from start to finish. I will be gatekeeping the method all into this video, launching the meme coins, okay, and then cashing out, bro, all in this video with a live example. Let's fucking go. And by the way, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do not copy me. Thank you to Pump for sponsoring today's video. Pump is the best on-chain Solana gambling website available to play on. It's my go-to when the markets are down and the trenches are lacking. All you have to do to play is just connect your Solana wallet like Phantom, then bet directly out of your own wallet on any of their games. You can play their 50-50 Solana coin flip game, on-chain Solana blackjack, and even crash. You can also get free rewards every day like this free Solana case and hourly Solana airdrops. They also have their own very token, Pump, that you earn on each bet. If you want to play where I play and make money while the markets are not cooking, come to Pump and type in my code JP. Now let's get back to the video. Now a bunch of people, okay, when they start deving meme coins, right, they obviously fucking resort to Pump.Fun to launch meme coins. Most newbies launch their coins here, okay, directly like this. But bro, you are just wasting your time. Once your coin is launched, it will go nowhere and it will get no traction. That's because it's oversaturated, and yeah, bro, the only chance you have is to get your coin to Raydium. And to do that, bro, you have to be launching coins on external launch pads, okay? Because on the Raydium dex is where all the buyers are waiting to buy your coin at, okay? And reaching that point on Pump.Fun will require a $50,000 market cap, which is like basically impossible. That's why you have to be using create meme.io to launch your meme coins. A bunch of devs are actually gatekeeping this launchpad because every single coin goes to Raydium, it skips the entire bonding curve, and it gets shown to thousands of people. Okay, you guys will see. Now, to make a coin, you could either make one from scratch or copy a coin, or vamping. It's the same thing, right? If you go ahead and create a coin from scratch, you will need a narrative. Go on X, go on Reddit, go on Discord, go on TikTok, and make a coin based from a viral narrative. It could be literally anything, right? Let me see. It could be anything, right? For example, the penguin coin went absolutely viral, and that came from a TikTok narrative. Okay, you would come back, invent a name, add a quick ticker symbol, add a quick image, and your meme coin is done after these steps. But I like to vamp coins, also known as copying coins, because you are copying coins that are already going viral on Pump.Fun and they already have a good narrative. They're already proven to attract buyers. So by relaunching these coins to Raydium, bro, you are just fucking increasing your chances of fucking succeeding, and that's why I love vamping / copying coins. But anyways, now it's time to copy a coin, deploy it, and see how much we can make even in these market conditions. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected. Click on refresh, look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything. I'm gonna copy the FWA coin. Click on copy to Raydium. Wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up. Ignore the fucking block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Just give it some time, right, for the FWA coin to copy. Come on, boom, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really easy, because here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool. Basically, it's the backbone of your coin, okay? Once it's created, it will pop up right here. Now, token A is the supply. Simply follow my steps. Click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens. Token B is where you put the first buy for your fucking coin, okay? You will be the first buyer inside your own coin as a dev. You will be buying some of the supply, but you are not losing anything, because once you dump the coin later, the 0.3 so will come back to you. So 0.3, you can put more if you want, but you know, I'm gonna put the minimum. I'm broke. Hypothetically. And after that, bro, click on the create pool button. It should pop up your Phantom wallet. Let's go, come on, faster, boom. Ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button down below. Then scroll down and boom, the FWA coin is on live on Raydium, and your profits will show up right here. And if you want to see, you know, if you're up and down, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, bro, 160, which is like 1.7 so in today's market. It's really fucking cooked, but deving still works. We're up 160, bro. People work like hours for this. Now, click on view on Photon to see the chart, or Axiom or Nova, it's up to you. Let me go on full screen for a better view for you guys, and then it should load in. Okay, boom, come on, bro. Let me get my fucking buyers in, come on. And bang, bro, the coin is live. We're already up like fucking 200 bucks in a matter of seconds. 1.8k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. Things are looking good. Someone dumped for 74 bucks. It's all good, bro. More people are going to start seeing the coin, okay, and then deciding if they want to buy or not. Oh my god, bro, that's fucking good. 70 bucks. Yo, wait, this coin is actually cooking though. Yo, imagine you launch like 3 or 4 of these every single day, bro. Yo, it's actually fucking untapped, bro. You guys have to start deving. I'm not even joking about it. Like, bro, it's so untapped. I don't get why people are not deving. I guess because it's a bit unethical. I mean, I'm not sure. I mean, bro, we made this coin for completely free, 0 bucks. Now we're getting a bunch of traction, so why not, bro? $72. Let's go. Come on, 2.2k market cap, 1.3k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. I'm gonna give this coin some time for the pump, bro. When I come back, you will see how much we're up. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 5k market cap, 2k liquidity. Things are looking good. I think we're up a pretty hefty amount. So come back to create meme.io. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button, bro. Let's fucking go. And bang, bro, we're up 1.5k. Oh my god, that's actually fucking ridiculous. Now, click on the minus button, do 100% revolve, remove liquidity, then just fucking wait. And as you guys can see, bro, I will be receiving 17.3 so click on confirm. And boom, bro, that just like that, bro, I made a quick fucking bag. If I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we received 1.5k. Even though the markets are down, we still ended up making a hefty amount of Solana, bro. Now you can just do that over and over again. Now, by the way, bro, do not be discouraged if on the first coin you make like 100 bucks, 0 bucks, 10 bucks, I don't know, bro. Just make a second one, a third one, a fourth one, and the narrative will possibly hit, right, for educational purposes only. Now, bro, it's your turn. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below in the description, bro. Like, comment, subscribe, okay? Comment please, and like and subscribe. Join my Telegram and Discord to contact me. Peace out.